All right, DDTG. We've had a little. No, we're not gonna. What's going on here? We've had a little bit of issues just because Twitter backend is down. I don't see the YouTube comments coming either. I'm going to give this a second. I'm not 100% sure what we got going on here. Twitter backend down, so DDTG only on YouTube. But I don't see the YouTube comments going. There we go. Okay. Stone Papa Surf Pace Ass. All right. I'm going to make sure we're... Okay, hi, Dave. All right, comments are going. Davey, Lee McDonald, Buck Trusser, Love Stas. This is brought to you by Kraken DDTG, and we're going to go live. The bell just went live. We're a little bit off. Jake, who actually watches this shit? You, Jake, because you're in the comments section. Boom, roasted. And stock market been taking a whoop last couple of days. So we're live. Ding, 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 ding. Yes, Papev still employed. Papev is still employed. Obviously saw those charges, but we stick with our guys till there's a reason not to. And as I understand it now, yes, we will have Pat's back. Again, I trust what our people tell us. Bell is live. Bunch of red. I mean, Penn is down to 1338. That to me is a buy. All right, here we go. DDTG presented by Kraken, the official crypto platform, Barstool Sports. All right, listen up. Kraken is doing something absolutely insane this month. They're giving away one full Bitcoin. That's right, one Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin has been taking or crypto, I should say, has been taking a whoop in the last couple of weeks. Still, though, not like I said, 91,450, XRP 217, ETH 3,043. Anyway, they're giving away one full book. I have an announcement in a minute. That's right, one whole Bitcoin. Do you know what that's worth right now? We just told you, 104,000. I mean, 91,000. Sorry. By the way, at the time we wrote this ad, it was about 100 grand. So it's been down about 20% lately. All you do, trade $1. That's it. $1, bang, you're entered. Every $1 trade equals one entry. You buy $1 of ETH, boom, entry. $10 of Dodge, bang, 10 entries. Convert one coin to another, still counts. You can rack up millions of entries if you really want to go sicko mode. It's like the crypto Powerball, except instead of scratching lotto tickets at the gas station, you're trading real assets. Here's how to do it. Open the Kraken app. Tap the little rocket icon, top right, scroll to offers, opt in, start trading. You got till December 3rd. The prizes. One person's winning a full Bitcoin. 5 winners get $10 in BTC. 100 more are getting 100 in Bitcoin. Literally just trade something you're already doing. You could wake up with a whole lot of Bitcoin. So don't be an idiot. Go to kraken.com/barstool or hit the Kraken app and get in the game. It's simple. It's secure. This is not trading advice. This is whatever the disclaimers on the thing. Now, am I eligible for this? Because here comes the announcement. Last night, Monday, November 17th, if you want to look at what I did, here it is. I hope I'm not giving away nothing. I probably am, so I probably shouldn't show it. 638 bought $500,000 of XRP. 637 bought 400,000 of ETH. 637 bought 750,000 of BTC. 636 bought 500 more or a reverse of XRP. So in total, last night, $1 million of XRP, 400 ETH, 750 of BTC. Blood in the streets. Dave's like a piranha. Dave's like a great white. He's just shark on fins. Oh, you know what? Let's do it. And we I know we can't clip it. We can't play music. So it's too bad. This will. See, I want to play fins, but I can't play fins if they clip this because then the music companies. Anyways, fins to the left, fins to the right. BTC everywhere. So we had a crypto, a little dip in the market. I've been hold, Braveheart, hold. Last night I went. So I bought $2 million with crypto, $1 million of XRP, 750 of Bitcoin to add to my collection, and 400 of ETH. So I don't know. That's 2 million. Did I just get 2 million entries into this contest? I hope so. Will I go back to the listen? I have the anybody who wants me in the trenches, just blame all the scumbags who are in jail still who attack me every day, even though I haven't sold a penny of it. Blame Jeremy Dan, the guy who'd shit on the front of his pants. There's scumbags who just want to use me to make money and then cry like little babies when they don't. It's not worth it. I haven't made a cent. I've lost money in the trenches. So what is the point of me just dealing with the headaches? There ain't any. You're welcome, Steve Spencer. You're welcome for holding on to jail. I'm the only guy in the world. I could have made $7 million on jail stool. I've lost hundreds of thousands, and that crowd, not all, but some will still come at me. It's a crazy world. By the way, I had the Raiders last night. They stink. I had my gambling account as hot. I was up to $1 million in my gambling account from like 100 grand all the way back down. That's how that goes. And I can't win a parlay to save my life. Stock market. Things look like they're evening out a little bit. And dying in 3/4 time. Dance with me, nautical wheelers. I'm looking, I'm just going down, seeing if I see anything that jumps out. Not really. Daniel McDermott Jr. Let's make a Ryan Day pissing down his leg meme coin. Not the worst idea I've ever heard. Penix third ACL. Yeah, you guys got the 100 million. Listen, the thing about Penix, I mean, the guy was hurt all throughout college. He had a great year at Washington, but he's clearly injury prone. You've heard me say it. Your best availability is availability. Buy Home Depot. That's their earnings, right? It's big box store weekend. Mikey Grab Bags, thoughts on Chicken Fried declaring war on the Minifans? That is a ridiculous take. It's clearly been a war between Brianna and the Minifans and Kirk long before this. And by the way, for people saying this, like I wouldn't have done what Brianna did in once Kirk checked into the loony bin. However, I think she's well within her rights to do it. Listen, you can't be the big bad guy and be in a war, and then when your guy goes into the tank, be like, time out. And Kirk would be the first one to say this. He did say this. He was like, I don't expect people to lay off. Now, I don't want to hear it anymore from Brianna about the bullying or anything like that. Like this is two sides going back and forth. Nobody can cry foul. Nobody can be like, that's unfair. Nobody can be, that's too far. But I don't want to hear the Minifans crying, this is suddenly over the line. That's you two's thing. But this isn't a sudden, oh, she went over. No. When Brianna was going through it, the Minifans were all over her ass too. So gloves off on both sides. It's a dirty war that I wish was not happening. I like both people, but you're not gonna suddenly get sympathy from me. And by the way, Kirk wouldn't want it that way. People are speaking for Kirk. Kirk tweeted out exactly how it feels. Like, yeah, like I'm not expecting now suddenly a timeout in the middle of the war. So spare me. Oh, Mikey Grabbag disagrees. Yeah, that's my only thing. It's like I just don't want to hear it now. It's like This is USC beats Oregon this weekend money line. Andrew Tavola. Let me tell you something, Andrew Tavola. Dave should get back to the trenches and bring back meme coins. That was what a time to be alive. That was some of my fit because I'm an action junkie. I loved it, but I also saw the dark, dirty side of it, and there's no need for somebody like me to be in the dark, dirty side. Like, you have real people in trenches who are making millions on it, and like that was their livelihood. I didn't make a cent on it. I wasn't trying to make a cent on it. I had gotten no benefit from it outside of people attacking me, making up lies about me. So what's the benefit? What the fuck is that, Andrew Ray? I'm so confused on what this Andrew Ray thing is. $49.99. Let's celebrate their first super on a live stream. What in the fuck is that? Can anybody explain to me what that is? I don't know what that is. $50 to do a lemon throwing what is that? A lime? Is that a lemon throwing a lime cartoon? It looks like a Care Bear of sorts. It's definitely a lemon. That's a lemon. Limo, Dave, if you need soccer content, create our Premier League. I make YouTube videos. Listen, fuck Patrick McClintock. Listen, we had what I would say are two of the best soccer guys you could ever have, ever. Like, you can't have better than Expressions and Troops. Hilarious guys, very good at what they do. It didn't stick. We had a hard time selling it. Maybe that's our salespeople. It kind of, why would I get back into soccer? Because sometimes things don't work because the people aren't the right people. It's like, this guy's not good at his job, not entertaining. Troops and Expressions are fucking awesome. They're awesome. So, like, it wasn't them, it was us. Yeah, I got to win some games this weekend. We're going to Cincinnati, BYU. Then Miss Watermelon is supposed to race at Del Mar on Sunday, which I'm a proud papa, even though she's 0 for 1. She's training well on the dirt, so I'll go there. And that's Thanksgiving week. Thank you, Walker Welch. Robert Allen, hi, Dave. Why is Bitcoin down 92? I mean, listen, things can't go up forever. I bought it. I just told you I bought more of it. There's no way that's $400. Vincent Boyo, there's no way that NGN 400 is $400. All right. Let's wrap this.